Let's understand combination and decomposition reactions. Combination word itself suggests combining. So when two or more than two reactants combine together to form a single product, then it is called a combination reaction. For example, magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, or carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. These are all examples of combination reactions. Remember, in combination reaction, only one product should be there. Okay? Now, decomposition reaction. When one reactant decomposes to form two or more than two products, that is called a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions could be again of three types. First, thermal decomposition. जब ये decomposition heat की presence में हो, that is known as thermal decomposition. For example, when lead nitrate is heated, it decomposes to form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So that is a decomposition reaction. Second type of decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition, when decomposition takes place in presence of electricity. So when electricity is passed through water, it breaks up to form hydrogen and oxygen. Third type of decomposition reaction is photodecomposition. Photo means light. So when decomposition takes place in presence of light, that is called photodecomposition. For example, when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it forms silver and chlorine gas escapes out. Similarly, when silver bromide is exposed to sunlight, it gets converted to silver and bromine. Both these, silver chloride as well as silver bromide, are used in black and white photography. One more important question from this: why silver chloride and silver bromide has to be stored in colored bottles? So that they don't come in contact with the sunlight and we can prevent the decomposition of silver chloride and silver bromide.